Hello, Nivan.
Hello.
Hi, Yashas. Good morning. नहीं ज्वाइन करता है.
Hello, Anay join करता हूँ.
Just wait for a second, kids.
Hello, Anay join करता है ना? हाँ, ठीक.
Okay, kids. So let me share my screen. Let me share my screen. Let me know if you are able to see the screen, kids. Okay. Is it visible, kids?
Yeah.
Okay.
Did you white will win? I know. White will win.
Sir, what is
Yes. This is white to play and win, right? So kids, last couple of sessions we are studying the end game positions where someone is having material advantage. Okay, now in this position, can you see who is having the material advantage?
Sir,
White. Okay, so ideally white should win. Okay, but as I said earlier, as I stated earlier, if you are not making the proper moves, okay, then probably the match may result into either a draw or loss. Okay, so last time we saw another position, for example, like this, right, where black had opportunity to win. Okay, because black is having 2 pawns as compared to white is having only 1 pawn, and then we learned how to deal with it. Otherwise, you saw actually a couple of times you tried and it was resulting into a draw, right? But now hopefully you should be able to play properly, right? Nivan, Yashas, correct?
Right.
Okay, so now
Have
look
you
at
will not
this.
play good?
Right, look at this, study properly, and then tell actually what is there, who will win. Yeah.
For white to play.
Yes, white to play. Think and then tell. Take
Black
your time.
to play.
White to play. White to play.
Okay. Rook F8. Yeah, rook to F8.
Rook to F8. Okay. What will you achieve by that?
Yeah. The knight is there. That is supported the F7 pawn. Rook to H1.
Rook to H1.
No,
How
it
can you
cannot
move,
go.
Rook?
Rook cannot come to H1, right?
G8.
Okay, rook to
The
G8.
G8.
If you push the rook here, what can black play then?
Sir, the black will capture.
No, black is coming down. Yes, correct?
Yes,
See,
sir.
always look at the rank, kids. Okay, so this is the 7th rank, right? So all the black pawns are coming in this direction, right? White pawns are going in this direction. I mean, upward direction, right? So think and then tell.
Sir, bishop to F7. Capture.
Bishop captures F7.
Yes, sir.
How lot? We will get
You
one
will-
value and we will get
yes.
3 value.
Yeah, if you play this, the knight will capture, the knight will give check, and knight will capture back your rook. Okay,
No, sir, not.
and it will be clear win for black in that case.
Yeah. I know how to win this.
Yes, Nivan, tell them.
How to win the Bishop and Knight. I know.
In this position, what will you play?
Rook to G8.
Okay, let us play rook to G8. Okay. Now, what will black play? Suppose black played here.
Rook to G1.
Rook to G1. Okay, good. Let us see now what can be done. Okay.
Rook to A1.
Okay.
Bishop capture H7.
Bishop captures H7. Okay. Okay.
Anay Purkar.
Rook
Yeah.
to
Anay is
A7.
joining this. He's from another batch. Yes, yes. So he's joining this batch from today. Hello, Anay. Okay. What you said, Nivan? Good morning, Anay. Yeah. What did you said, Nivan?
Rook to A7 check.
Rook to A7 check. Okay.
Rook to A8.
Rook to A8. Okay.
Bishop capture E6.
Bishop captures C6. Smart. Okay.
Pawn to H7.
Sir,
Promote queen.
Nivan will surely make the white win.
Correct. Good
Promote
one.
to a queen.
Good one.
Queen
Sir,
to
queen to
G8.
A8.
Sorry, what you said, Nivan?
Queen to C8.
C8. Here.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sir, that was a good move, right? Queen to C8.
Yeah, looking at this board position, yes. Yes, Nivan.
King to no, not king. B8. Queen to B8.
Queen to B8.
Sir, you'll obviously move to C6, right? To support the knight.
Bishop to D8.
Bishop to D8.
Bishop capture bishop.
Nivan.
G8. Queen to G8. Queen to E6. Queen to D5.
Queen to
Queen captures D5.
D5.
Queen captures D5.
Queen captures G4.
Sir, all your pawns are going. Sir, don't move the king or there. Move it to A3 so that you can support your last pawn.
B4, queen to B4, checkmate.
Queen for B4 checkmate. Very good, Nivan. Okay. Good one. So if you look at this, kids, let's go back. So what Nivan did. Okay. So he played, he played this one first, right? And then here, and tried to bring the king this side actually. And we saw actually how he played, right? So I played this.
But sir, instead of
correct.
that, you could have just moved the rook like this, no?
Yeah. So this is good way actually. This is one of the good way. Nivan, you could win this game. Okay. However,
Sir, you could have moved it like this, right?
no, but there was knight, right? How will you move directly?
He could
Yes,
capture the knight.
if you capture this, it will get captured.
Oh, yes.
And it will be a time quick.
Yeah. But anyways, this is also a good move by the way, kids. Okay. Now after this, you can capture this, correct? Because what is
Correct.
important here is the knight which is defending this pawn. Okay. So what you are doing, you are sacrificing your rook.
Sir, I got out.
Yes, Nivan.
Sir, move. After that, king captures rook.
King captures rook. Bishop captures pawn.
Bishop captures. And after that, black played D7. King to D7.
King to
D7.
D7. You cannot come. There is a pawn check.
No, D.
Okay. Here. Okay.
Yeah.
Sir, after that, after moving the bishop to F7, it is controlling these whole diagonal squares.
Correct. Now what will you play, Nivan? From black side. Yes, Yashas, Anay.
I'll play.
Sir, from black side, I would play. Sir, I would play this. Bishop to C6.
Okay. Okay. Check.
King captures bishop.
Check.
Done. You win. King to E7.
E7.
Checkmate.
Not mate. You can come here, right? But then the game continues. I mean, the way Nivan you suggested earlier, actually bringing the rook here, then bringing here, then coming back. Okay, it was time consuming. But instead of that, if you look at this, you just sacrifice the rook here. Okay, rook sacrifice, captured, and you immediately capture back the pawn. Okay, and you can easily promote your pawn. Because of this pawn, the king cannot enter this area. Because of this bishop, king cannot enter this area. Okay, so you just bring your king here so that it will support your pawn promotion. Okay, and later on you can easily win this game. And understood, kids? Any questions?
Yes.
Okay, let's move
No.
to the next position then. Okay, here now black to play and win. Okay, But before that,
black has the advantage of winning.
exactly, black has more pawns as compared to that of white. Okay. Also,
Sir,
black
this
has
is very simple to me.
extra
Sir,
bishop.
I can hear a lot of background noise from someone.
Yeah, I think it's at Nivan's side. Nivan, is there something going on background?
No, now something happened. And
Okay.
nothing
Anyways,
more.
pay attention, kids here. Okay.
Sir, I got it. Rook to E8.
Rook, black to play.
Black rook to E8.
Okay. Now, white captured this.
Promote queen. From capture. King to F7.
King to
F7.
F7.
Rook to E5.
E5.
Right. King to E6. Capture D7.
Yes, kids. Your turn.
What to play?
Black to play, right?
What to play, sir?
Acha, sorry. Black to play.
E6, sir. King to E6.
King to E6.
King to D5. Rook to E4. Pawn to H6.
H6.
Yeah.
Okay.
Rook to G4.
और मैं बोलूं क्या मैंने उस दिन वही भगवान भगवान को प्रार्थना करी जिसको वो पसंद है वही घर मिलेगा
King to E5.
King to
E5.
E5.
Rook to B4.
Rook to
B4.
okay.
B3.
हाँ उन्हीं का डंडा करता अच्छा नहीं रहता
Rook to A3. Rook capture A5. Rook to B. No. Pawn to B5. Pawn to B4.
पहले से दूसरा है क्या पहले देखा है ध्यान से नहीं देखा होगा अच्छा
Pawn to B3.
हाँ,
Pawn to B2.
हाँ,
Hold on. B2.
Promote. Queen.
हम्म,
Queen. H7.
H.
7. Sir, Queen to A1.
हाँ,
Queen to D7. And Queen to G8. Checkmate.
निकाल
Very
आधा
good.
घंटे से निकलने वाली हूँ मैं।
And so not jail. No, G. The other way.
Okay. Good one. This is good.
खाना खाएंगे।
Now, here, when you played, just a second, you played what? E, rook to E8, right?
Yeah.
Anivan?
नहीं आएगा,
Okay,
उनको
let me
वो-
change
वो
my,
काट के
instead of
ताजा लोग
capturing
तो
this, I
कुछ
played this
ना,
one. Now what
ताजा
will
लोग
you
तो
play?
बैठे रहेंगे उधर।
Rook to F. No, not rook.
Yes, yes,
हाँ,
what
Rook to
happened?
F2.
रख देंगे ना।
Rook to F2.
Just a second. Yashas, are you there?
Yes, sir.
What happened?
हाँ, रख दो।
Sir, nothing. It went by mistake.
Okay, can you keep your camera on?
हम्म,
Okay, yes, Nivan, Yashas, what will you play now?
No, I. Little I tried again. Rook. Bishop to F2.
सूरज को ये बोलते नहीं खाना।
Bishop
बोले हाँ,
F2.
नहीं,
F2.
वो आप ही देख लिया
Okay.
तो मम्मी चलाती देती है, मम्मी भी बैठती है।
Okay.
Promote.
Promote, capture.
E1. Rook to E1 capture.
ओके,
Okay, good one. Good one. Now you are winning. No issues. Okay, good, kids. Any question in this, kids? So this was easy to win kind of board position. Okay, let's take one more.
Okay.
Now,
Yeah, this
white
is
to play.
not a puzzle. This is so simple. What to play?
Yes, white to play. Okay, now if you look at
Queen to
see,
F2.
black has 3 pawns plus queen, white has 4 pawns plus queen. Okay,
Sir, white has the chances of winning.
all right, white to play. Yes, Nivan.
Queen to F2.
Queen to F2 check.
And a check.
Okay. Okay.
Queen to F1.
Queen to F1.
Queen to F2. No, E2, E2, E2.
E2 check. Okay.
पापा को मेजरमेंट टेप देते
नहीं quiet क्या चलू है Queen to D1.
Queen to
D1.
D1.
भैया captain the piece of pawn.
I don't want to capture because I can hide my king behind itself, right?
Queen to C2. No. The queen. You capture queen.
Right.
No, queen to D2.
Queen to D2. Okay.
pawn to b4 check.
Pawn to b4 check. Good.
Queen to d1.
Queen to d1.
हाँ
Queen to e2.
e2.
अरे पता नहीं.
हाँ चलेगा
Queen to b5.
Queen to
b5.
हाँ
d or b? B here.
b
Okay.
बीचो बॉल.
गाड़ी देखती ना सही से कर देने का कितने
f2 into f2. Queen to f3.
को क्या मिलता है तो बोले पक्का नहीं
King
करवाएगा
to
ठीक है बोले हम आ जाएंगे
f3.
f3. Okay.
तो नहीं खुद बिल्डर से नहीं ली जाएगा दूसरे से लिए जैसे हाँ बोल रहे हैं कि जिसकी जगह वो परसों वहाँ जा रहा है बोले मंगला को परदेश जा रहा है तो उसको खाली फोटो दिखा देंगे तभी वो देख के चला जाएगा
Queen e8.
e8.
8. Queen to g2.
H2.
Queen to h3. Queen to b8.
Queen b8 check. Okay.
Queen to g7. Queen to g6. No, not d7. d6. King f4. No, sir. You will play d4 and my checkmate. Sir, it's a game over.
Why is
White's
it over?
game
You
over.
can still continue, right? You have the queen.
So what I play? You play f1 and then going to h1. No. The game will still continue.
Right.
Right. And f2 too. You will play f1, we play h2. That has also moved. Queen to e7. Sir, Queen to e5.
Okay.
queen to h4.
h4.
Yeah, yeah. Where's the mouse?
Mhm.
Yeah. Now I understand. I know the plan. You play queen to h2 checkmate.
Correct. So,
Now it's a now black win.
correct. So, you could not manage it, kids, okay, properly. Can you think again and see how can you do that?
Nani to attack.
See, okay, kids. Anyways, let me explain you actually what exactly went wrong. See, first thing first, kids. Look at the board position. Okay, here understanding the position is important. Can you see there is a white pawn which is standing in the 7th rank? Okay, you just get one chance and you will be converting this into a queen, promoting it into a queen. Correct? Okay, so first thing first, what you have to do, give the check in such a way. Just a second, Nivan.
I
Okay,
don't know that. I didn't see that pawn that way.
so that is why I said, like, whenever there is a board position, always study that. Okay, and then accordingly decide your moves. Okay, so the earlier game that we played from this position, because you kept the black queen alive, okay, it started troubling you, and finally we can see that it resulted into black win. Correct? Now here
Sir,
what
sir, was it white or black? Which
it's
had,
black win the game, right? Ideally
sir,
white should win.
which had more chances of winning, black or
White, because white is having extra pawn, right? And also white's position is stronger. If you look at all the black pawns are in the initial stage only, like from 7th rank it came to 6 and 5 only. But if you look at the white, the c2 pawn reached till c7, okay, and in the next one move it is going to be promoted. Correct? The only thing is you cannot promote it immediately because the queen will immediately capture it back, right? So what you need to do is you need to give the check in such a way that as soon as the king comes to any of these, either here or here, okay, if queen comes here, you give check from either here or from here, and as soon as you get opportunity, you capture the queen. Correct? That is the plan. Okay, now can you think and play again, kids? I am sure now this time you will win. Okay, Yashas, Anay, Nivan, think and tell. You understood the plan, what to do? Okay, come on, kids. Nivan, you are on mute.
F2.
Queen to
F2.
F2, check. Okay,
Now. Queen to f3.
Queen to F3, are you sure?
After that, we can also promote
No, but
the queen.
okay. You want to promote?
Yeah.
queen. Sir, we lost the queen and we got the queen again.
Yeah, but that now the situation is not that good, right? Because you lost your pawn, in short. So now
king
both
to
black and
g2.
white are equal. King to G2.
G2.
Okay.
King to h3.
King to S3, and your queen is gone.
F, F, F.
Even if you go here, the queen is still going. Okay.
No,
So
I
think
want to
again.
exchange queens.
Right. You exchange.
And then pawn to b4.
Before this is good move. Nivan, this is good move. And now there are chances that you may win the game. Okay. Let us see now what can be done.
देखो जाने की भाई
Okay.
king to no b5
Sir, pawn to b5. Sir, pawn to b5.
Correct.
Sir, b6.
yeah
Sir,
yeah
b6.
b6
Sir, b7.
b7
Sir, promote to no sir. No sir.
promote just promote
No sir. No sir.
Sir.
Don't promote.
king to h3 king to h3 h
Sir, can you once move it back before the queen got promoted? I don't want to
no
promote it.
no
Hold on, hold on.
no I
Yes.
want to promote her.
Just
No,
second.
I want to
Nivan, it's
promote.
okay. Yes, Yashas.
If sir is pawn down right, then sir will be able to promote. So first we should stop sir's pawn, then we shall promote.
So what will you
That's
play?
Sir, now we'll play pawn to g4.
On to G4.
No, sir, not pawn to g4, sir. Pawn captures f4.
Okay. Now you promote.
Yes, sir. Now promote. Check.
Mhm.
No, sir. So that was a quicker.
It's okay, Nivan. How does that change?
Okay,
Yeah. Continue from
queen
here.
to g.
Sir,
Queen
queen to
No, sir. Queen to g3.
Queen to G3. Okay.
I'm not following your challenge what I can see.
Mm-hmm.
sir, king to f3.
Queen to yeah. No, not queen. King. Queen
Okay. King to
to
F3.
h3. No,
Mm-hmm.
h you have.
Okay.
Sir, capture
And
the pawn.
f4. No. We have a challenge into checkmate
Yeah.
on h4.
If you do
No,
this,
no.
if you do this, what will white play? Will come
Draw.
here. No issues. Okay. No,
No,
it's not draw actually.
No. It will continue.
Okay. What you
Queen-
played?
No,
You
sir,
want-
let
H4.
it
Queen to
capture
H4.
only. Else
Queen to
black can
H4.
promote. Sir, no, capture the pawn.
Instead of this, if you play here, it's a checkmate.
Yeah.
Nivan.
Yeah.
Okay. And now if you play here, it will get escape. It will hide behind the pawn. Next move. Okay. So this is good, kids. So various positions we studied today. Okay, various endgame positions. And what was important here? Studying the board position, kids. Okay. Because after understanding that this will get immediately promoted, okay, you got ready to exchange or even sacrifice the queen. Okay, so from that perspective it was important. Similarly, this position was very nice actually, and I did like the way Nivan suggested. Okay, so what is important, kids, although this is taking some longer time, okay, but at least he thought logically. Okay, so that is how I want you kids, right, to think logically and look at the board position and decide how to play and how to win the game. Okay, as well as before that we saw this was one of the good learning, kids, right? In this case, winning this pawn, okay, and then stopping this, I mean letting the pawn go and then capturing this pawn and promoting the a5 pawn. So these are some good important endgame positions we studied. We will continue tomorrow, kids. Okay, let us stop here for the day.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye. Enjoy your day.
Bye.